What I'm going to show you today is what happens when the ballast tanks fail on a mastercraft surf boat. This is not a super uncommon thing that happens here, and it usually spurs from a poor winterization. Maybe water still left in the ballast tank and it cracks it. And where's that water go? Well, it goes right into your bilge. And there's only one way to fix these, and that is to physically separate the hull from the deck. You just pull the deck off. I say just, it's actually a very involved process, takes about a day or two to complete. And what we have is the hull being separated here. In this picture, we actually used to use the forklift to pick it up, and then we would remove the deck, pull it off to the side where the technicians could go in and actually service these ballast tanks. You just replace them. Don't try to repair them because they'll probably end up cracking again. But this is why I encourage people to buy service contracts, because stuff like this is covered. This is probably a $15,000 to $20,000 repair, and the only thing that caused it is the water that was in the ballast tanks when it was put away for the winter. There's two ways you can avoid this. One is by keeping your boat in heated storage, and number two is thoroughly draining your ballast at the end of the season and making sure to fill a little bit of antifreeze in the vent lines. This is not a mastercraft only problem. Many of other brands use hard ballast tanks. This can happen to those as well. But try to avoid those. Try to avoid this doing those two things, because this is a pretty costly repair.